Well, welcome back, and I'm back with the final version of the Super Fuzz. I've got the base here painted up for the smoke and sealed. I've got the figure pretty well done here. I've painted a little bit of red on here. You'll see why when I put him in place. His feet get pretty close to the engine, and figured it would heat up his feet a bit. I've taken a red Sharpie marker and just drawn some veins on his eyeballs there, and glued the steering wheel to his hand. I found another little sticker on the back of his helmet there with the police badge on it. Got the gear shifter on and tried to paint a little gear pattern on one side and like a figure 8 on the other side. Got the doors, the sides painted with the fuzz. I got spark plug wires and a coil and some coil wire there on the engine. I've painted the teeth here on the air intake with some pearl white. I've taken a piece of watch parts. I've got a little drawer of watch parts there. I took some round disc there and super glued it on the front of the pulley. What else have I done here? Glued in a piece of felt for the seat back. And I've seen the stickers on the back there. Sealed it up with Future. That's about it, I guess. Tried to do a few things there just to spice it up a little bit. So now it's just a matter of putting all these pieces on the base. So here's the final product, finished product here. It's just sitting in place. The mouse and the hand on the back are just sitting in place. They're not glued in yet. And Super Fuzz is just sitting in his car there in a bucket. So I think it came out pretty nice. It's been a lot of fun doing this and seeing it come together and seeing the paint on it. And he's going to catch that little fly there. So thanks for following along, and hope you get one of yourself and be able to build it. It's a lot of fun. These kits are great change of pace and good for practicing hand painting, brush painting. And it's just good for a smile. So we'll see what's up next, and stay tuned. And I have a couple of just snapshots at the end. So bye for now.